Mwaka soko bali gania chinga kichi lero ni reno mitodo Bosco kichana olio kabere chinse olio siekere tugali Tanzania for more than 5 years alengo rakini na nyasawa mokonyire he is back bono na aramo na inturende umweshimiwa karibu sana
bono barana pedla watanga olio siekere kabo free tebe ngoli orengeche tebe olio orengeche tebe olio siekere
olio siekere rechera Tanzania bono rende litangani ndatotanga abantu bali bagochandra kyo mwana ominto ragera abantu bali bagochanda na at least bono twagokire sana you are back ngaki experience kya okyale ngaki happen tipaka abantu aba bakacha gosiekera gali how did it start
very interesting
yes
ana watu in 2013 ekera kwa mtu akori chikura chetu kagenda utaro mwakili ono Tanzania nero nyobere cherano mwaka wa mune nusu bono kwenye nabekire kinaime pinga ane petition ya wende election ya kitutu cha South bono ngachake sabari ya nusu Tanzania bano kutaro musani boda ngeta buya sana kerengo kwenda Tanzania there was no problem at all
yes
korro karara kena kitamaro ambia kayende chera na rengiche no mwakili ku Kenya gaiga musani wana nitoranga legally akitora mukonye kere company hiyo nera associated with Kenya who deal with minerals na Tanzanite ruby kamutara kangera serende bunero gocha wakili yo kalikarende bunere imorogo buyekere kwirana na ribono Supreme Court batebenga bono Uhuru was validly elected actually bona kere Supreme Court kwa na the ruling
Mutunga
Justice Mutunga na ni mwana Arusha na Roro ile hoteli ngolere TV tukakora tukachaka sawali tukorana karango yake boda na bacho gontenere funny enough the previous day connected all there was no problem connected all akabuli keke akatemna information yetu ani already na Roman iwene sikuligereria nga communication era correct ekera abantu geto ba matenga na correct na chile Tanzania. That's when that communication was done between Kenya and some Tanzanian authorities.
You got there might be people. You go on again. Take this via in your own thinking. It was something like a setup.
You know what moment is it was a setup. Lakini bono kwa sababu hata yaliopita sio ndio bona yavi
wavinya rata yatanga yaliondwa la sipita
bona mbaba tiki Swahili I'm very perfect with Swahili now yaliopita sio ndio bona siko chakanga nyarebe you know it will be a waste of time it will be a waste of energy na inde nona chete mali na ina chete bono kama nyasaye monoimi eto gote lunga same 70
mara
77 no I've forgiven, life has to move on. Whatever happened has happened.
How was your experience kereko alenge mali because ekero okobera in a foreign land which you might have said it would have been something different. Lakini ekero in a foreign land usikeroro for all those years. Man, how did you feel? Go feel Fidel was your very best friend Fidel Odinga. Na Omomino Nera she passed on Ekerolem. I think it was very difficult time. How are you feeling Kerechi event Chiko unfold?
Generally I was having a teacher na sana. Na ura kwite keneos. Manyabona abantu kurana barabu. Abantu gusangana barabu endage. Na abantu baiti. Na machambas na rokubera. I had a very bad experience. Ama achana arotumia marogo bakoja beka asenkorara hivi. Lakini tuko ile gatwara likuwa. Kaboka mutuku katakunywa macho ngatabanga. Ikuweri mbwati kinywa macho make. Mambi yake ndio chukupara ki. Usibirenda amaino kabuki macho ya Kilimanjaro. Ingo chukuligize sali koranga particles nchiro. Ngata macho atari ana karangere mwana wale wankona ngabade yarebe nchuba. Macha atari arenga machana akaira na aliaka nanga machari tayo katadi kwa mzee kuligene garanga atari pro lakini banchita chero tukaigoro tukasoka isiko kato kusoka isiko ari chere kera muko igoro muko nyoka bana mwana irinda akatutichu beyisa ekera bantu akora to igoro basokera baskari basoka kwira na macha itejo lakini azitaka kore investigation kamanyanga uyo lenge anenge informa ya serikali ne kebagore lakini informa ya serikali
na serikali ya
Tanzania naende muna azitaka soka paka bote manyakanike yale bata gosaite tu in short ne sumu ya lege yongo temechera na boko anytime
nya sawa kurwanirira
nya sawa ndwanete naende kamusaba nyasaye muno sana nena akuri nyasaye nkime chande tari kwera lakini amata bibi batabanga God's time is the best nyasaye na wati sababu chainki ambegere tega maybe na rako bagati kaberega ira something bad could have happened to me maybe today we could not be seeing each other na kingo tabanga me have no regrets with everything are you a naende bone kerore maria chere you get time to reflect on yourself asa wa cheto bia nene akina correct men asa na cheto ngakina correct so I reflected on myself very well kana renga maria naende matabono unande sikoga hivi yani nige tabu gete na ali gete so mutu kuna kubwati ngaingo soka korega and I'm telling you I've strategized so well time will tell the next 1 year the next 2 years and 5 years mumanyanga kweli kare don boska chete gali kuna maarifa hekima na busara alipata kwa bodi swali yegi nga wono kana rengoro musani ne Fidel na asirete maomento na raga sira ngete kare Fidel au sira kumbe yarenge TV ya Tanzania nchinachi kuligere bobisi na watu nanjaga simkana gutumia mali lakini gutumia kutukulio ekene eka butukoga chikuligere siminga dora chi message nga Fidel usirire nanya to mundo ko monana sana kinachi kuege na bado
yakora mwancha ine sana
nainde ekena renge mari ko ndo tutalenge abana mukarete ngaye isuno muntu monene to basogo chagaiga era asokoreta some kind of politics I to basogo chakine mbuto balenga abantu bacha bontale can say he was a good friend wona kana te bigo karanga no tiango confirm karige my wife friend kabona maene hatena maene ka indi mwa kwareta dio moyo kantebia 1 week ago before Christmas na ngakate simi kubure na bana kibaga ndrete kesu kumo boy pangete nera kabari su kwenke so it really pained me lakini kero kuchukuligere ngakia kwete I failed to understand lakini ngote abanga ki maybe if I was outside
maybe nanga something would have happened something bad
feel to tabanga what causes death lakini really it was very mysterious and me I could also have died the same mysterious way my mother's death
it was a sad experience, a sad one. Kwa rangi ndio no mwako mino kile twalenge na renge primary na renge headmaster ya.
Very good.
Na renge headmaster ya ne. Then thoro chibona at least na nkonya tena kitu ikana start okwanere because na somete nya Bruce St Joseph's for 1 year. Ina no mwako lengo mutindi mono. Kono era arengo mutindi. Aka chiro tene no rato somere baleti.
No nyomba na barengo mutindi go. Na wana watu akinite.
Bona kere kwa lenge chera. Ekere kwa siekererwa. Viongozi byako sieka rengine yotono nje at one time nteno moliki. I wrote an article ngo blame viongozi abagusi. Nganga kibako tiga muntu tayero ko anyonke nyambi balenge. Angambo ogete bata yayo mwana itona kara. Onyo naba kalenjini yani at least angamba kwane lakini abarayibaite bachite bagakirapi. Ande nabora anyore mbaka gotarere bo bisi tutamanyete. Onenaro gotarere to morayo gusi.
Nchoma ete
ekora kwa bata basani abange sana
ena akinite kanisa nondo chega na renja utapo don't think ati tamana kumenere ndio tuko nake the way there's credit we give the credit where it belongs where there's no credit we say the truth
very true
igirana was in the previous parliament all those members of parliament who are there none of them came senators MCAs none of them came and this current one none of them came lakini honorable Jimmy Angwenyi gutu marenge umuiwoe no mwana ngocha rwamba barenga bataru na iniga kinere yatagate nga wakiri ani Tanzania moro say right up irinda airere Uhuru Kenyatta and Richard Onyonka who was my political nemesis in this last minute nere na attempt to engage Minister of Foreign Affairs agatumo mwakiri to kuno moyo areba ndaba chibontaroro bakatemtu to engage Minister of Foreign Affairs ABCD happened.
Why was he doing it the last minute? Ekerama, it maybe things were going to a definite end. But anyway, it's okay, Kendra.
But in reality,
yes, they neglected you.
They neglected me. Simbarata elmo rochana kando na ukwana lende ko boli bono ko na mugoli lakini coming to see me ebarojo senege tondo bawo chukuligere mata bantu ko baba ko na kuligere tondo tubatu bona ba na ba ngangete iko but
lakini asaga korona
the common knowledge aba na ichi baro ko na kurusi ebarota banga no but the konyo mumroria eyakogera ebaroche will be a threat abona abantu bakwa siasa ngai be a threat and I'm saying, you know, does it mean about the time of our life? In the time of a threat? No. And who told them Kwamba Don Bosco is coming to vie for a political seat? And I also did not tell them I will not vie. I've never said I will vie, and I've never said I will not vie.
Yeah.
Well, no, it's not good. Yeah, taking a key to us with I don't know what chin. It's nonsense. You know, when your brother is in trouble, put all differences aside. Put all ambitions aside. Fight for your brother. Na keka wakero munta asiri abantu bagoja matanga wa kyaba madenga tani threat wono chi.
Ochi. Baro no ne chibes chi nyinge.
Baro chibes chi nyinge. Ngo igoto ndo ro chibes.
Ndeta yo ruete. Na ande bono manyete. Tikamano to kuane binere. Abantu mbara ande bale kotayanga omongwano yo Don Bosco nga mbaliko chikokora maybe kero kendo maita bagusimba bwate ntubwate mwanyagitinge ntubwate tabigete etalingi yake na kino naba ikoyo bago tubwera na kino ba bona bande bale otanga haya umuntu ino mwivi tigasiye kerume umuntu ino mwivi tigasiye kerume na rata basakorume nga bona they don't want to associate themselves especially no muntu rurechera bona nakina nataka kubolinga going forward nande abantu mbale batetenga mpaka tabire fununu njaga chinanga mbale babwata madeni yao chibes yao some of those people no bata ito sieke rume pi kulingana na abantu bakoteba egere maybe they benefit because mbai rani chibes yao na pro some of the properties abantu na bona ke bakonyora you are back. What is their position? What message do you have for them? Because were they there?
Wakona magana mangi sana. Tide to answer the last paragraph. I want to answer everything. Amagana roba kudriga tide to answer. Then I come to the message.
Yes.
I think it will be fair enough. Wakatabanga Don Bosco no moyo. You know, in theft case, we can complain that to come on the na iberi we get. Na chibona abantu bangiberi into bia. I'm the complainant. Na watanga nyarebe na ite kwende biraita biane. Nyarebe na ite chibesiane. Yes. I'm the complainant. Don Bosco even one person, whatever he claims, I'll make sure I give him twice.
Yes.
Even one person, not only in Kenya, all over the world.
Yes.
Tanzania. I wish I could show you the charge sheet.
Money laundering charges.
Money laundering.
Yes.
My first one was conspiracy. Money laundering. The second one was money laundering.
Yes.
So that is not theft. Lakini in law, money laundering take it in Nayoko. We kokorege to get to mago na money laundering. We which vesa umanye go chisibichiro ganechingi. When you are was bribery, chwese cho una one government officials uko the very bribed. Ugori nyombe muntu buri nyombe nga ikwa rusiti ubone tirane babo chinchukyo cyara kana nga nyombe teri yane ne anyarebe imani naunda yani we kuko rigento gete na ibona bana robari gobone nyombe yo muntu were chibesa wachi sibye chirigete cyara kana chingi
wachi sanitize ibone ni money laundering eri ndi kinegete ni we komuntu we first of all ikoro na predicate offense we kakebe predicate offense yabo nga iwa akorete ngento gete either bribery corruption, theft, and we cable. Imanya go chwana money laundering. Mfano I'm sorry, lakini kidero yakobe kurunga theft na money laundering. Nga aiwetera akama okoro ko launder. In my charge sheet, predicate offense hey. Yes.
Conspiracy in law is not a way of getting money, then you sanitize.
Yes.
So if you look at that charge sheet, it's already faulty. It's already faulty. We cover what Don Bosco did this, akanyora chibesage, akamekora money laundering. Ekina akorete was supposed to be there. Erinde kerogo sibo. they must get you guilty of the first offense. It's not there. So the issue of saying theft was not there. And let me tell you, people are saying the American government has never complained of ever losing money. What Tanzania did, they approached the American government. American government, what they did, documents pertaining to that money.
That is funny.
That's funny. Bakambeka after 6 months.
You were acquitted. Did you go asokire?
It never happened once. In Arusha it happens 3 times. In Dar es Salaam once. The last time gana bwatu kaminyoka kabainga batabona nuko mbwata bali.
Eliyo mwali mwe.
Nkaibacha kaminyoka na tumnaenda bwaka iga nego toreki ane. Kalino rubago igoro ngacharuka kaminyoka lakini rende ukarosa. Yana mazoezi na rokara mazoezi biye. Kambwata naenda bakangira ni.
Elimo isonde?
Elimo ko ya renge last year November. Abona ati tokoranga bona abantu abo.
Bataye konkora.
Whatever they want, let me do it. Inkibated it. I plead guilty. I will do it. Wana ikikurwani atindo chinkikurwani. Abana onyo.
Because mbama izenga if you don't utata everything ngo akorete bono na bako tigo gende you can still have a chance yoko sue the Tanzanian government.
Exactly.
That is the reason why I go pleading guilty ngo kwanchira nete.
Exactly. After reading the environment, I consulted and ngasabasana nyasanga mkoni in coming up with a solution, in coming up with a decision about this.
Yes.
And God showed me the best thing to do. Tokorwa ni serikali ona. Kwa serikali ni Tanzania. Be happy in Kenya with the constitution, ikondo mwananchi. Let me tell you. Baba Raila Odinga na baba Rwanda mpaka tuanele constitution. Akiwere ni mnambia mama. You know, when you live in a sugarcane plantation, sugarcane is not but once you leave that place, you do not have access. So that's when you know it was very sweet. So this issue of theft is not there. If you are looking for theft,
yes.
If really you want to look for thieves, don't go far away. Don't go far away. They
don't add up.
They don't add up.
Exactly.
Don Bosco no moto chayo to koriya besa kinda America kinda Kenywerere 19 years old na very independent nko yakanere nyumba ningwate yaliane nko yakanere school fees yane nko tumachi besa anka na achakire okore byasara. When you're looking for Don Bosco, in Don Bosco, I can explain for every shilling of mine.
Such a million ya entangani. 20 years.
20 years. A million ya Kenya, but in American money.
Yeah.
I was 20 years old.
20 years old.
20 years old.
You started hustling. Hustling does not kill dreams.
Exactly. But anything hustling, you don't think I actually lose meaning at hustling. No more to what to muki. Hustling no muntu bado chindo to china enera hustling zile no muntu konyora chibesa ina ni legal way na abantu bakumachiko ile baya hustling no muntu ko no eno umuliki enera umuntu koli
bune DP ito na akweruka hustling
DP akweruka hustling kiagara nera sacha akiri chingo kare kuona for university no matter bugema bure Kenya gai university kwanza ingakeria moi kwa serikali ya muda kwa university konyora meno is a problem. Actually, going to university was one way of discarding a one of the chand. Kimbia no tagani university, you don't go those 4 years maybe you'll be somewhere. Macha konchingo korende. Gurene na about history kera korigere. I think DP even before this but I think he was a wealthy man. Even before this guy. Na what amako insurance. Chinyobachira wate gari jogoro. Kuri umuromo kabachi nyumbaga igorene na chagete biasara bia mapema nani kiri wano kwao
kwanza ngwato Raila Odinga. There is also abantu people are asking nae kwa goreta nae kwa neke the first person to import the first hammer ukagorero umusikera Raila Odinga oibona okorero ambassador ya gochi aliko ambassador ya Africa naye kwa mureterete hame ntang'ani when you are in prison Raila nkia na temete koro kimokionde gusaga tema at least go fight for your release korati gachibeze chiaru the che boy che fine yao ya muisonde eko era na changiere tena ngoto eresori lakini rende na rocket mokionde gusaga tema guseke robere ore mali utaragenda were you in good terms nere eka ko garanya ondria tagete genuine linga go fight for your release maybe angango atike tukale sana president no mosani yo lenge Kikwete angango atike tukale Raila na peke to mukionda gatema ko fight for your release eka rosibor
kwa bole ngaki ekero to what were you in good terms kwa bole
were you in good terms
remember Ruto was in ODM
yes
Ruto was Minister of Agriculture akachaka musuwa Peru higher education wakachaka kutoa differences na Raila Odinga kuchakira magana mau because referendum but after the referendum now they had completely fallen out.
Yes.
Ruto, when I was campaigning for Raila under Young Kenyans for Raila, I came to know him. He was a friend of mine. Akandangerine tukara gamba sana yeka. Akanga fax gete nkarigere likarama. Anyway, I can also work with Ruto. Tukachakare nere campaign. Paka gusina amoreto kuchangira Shabana na amorite kanisa amarari kuchangira kanisa galia ntu etanete gusinere Mombasa ntu etanete nere so Ruto kiana kwa chigari nyingi na kubike convoy na range na basanto beke convoy tuamukoba so we made this campaign to be very colorful bona ni bona watu tukomaje na Uhuru Kenyatta dimokere na ringe kanisa Nyamira na jitoka kuchangira kanisa Nyamira me I don't have boundaries we say Kisii County we say Nyamira County
Ngote vekanere you had a lot of projects on the Kuaga Konyarama.
Exactly. Mogusi no montekemo. We are one people and we should be united. Na ringa nyambe na ruta ngere kanisa nkare sime wocha. Gata ganya Fidel Odinga ruwaka. That time ekerende na Ruto still we are very good friends with Fidel.
Yes.
Kana Fidel waka ngasoka isiko. Kamuke sime yo amantabia dona talk to mzee. Marina Raila anatenga hiyo remo wako kwa hapo ngamteu usinde. Hata mimi nakuja Kisumu kuna hii maneno nilikuwa nataka tukata tuongee Fidel amejaribu kunieleza let us meet in Bondo.
Yes.
Wale kana akoro mchango kaenda Kisumu. Na bila ndaka no kuja hapa kwangu Milimani. Kaenda Milimani. I sat in his bed. He sat in a chair. Tukagamba sana ngeke. Ngamtelukia
na baba.
Agantebia you know, you always calls me my son. And then my son comes to me, you know, you are like my father.
Yes.
Ruto is like a brother. I cannot just abandon him like that. The best I can do, let me see if I can be able to reconcile the two of you.
Yeah.
And then fine, go ahead. Kaganda kagamba na Ruto. Ruto agantebia the terms Raila gave me, Matebera no ODM. I think it was not true, it was UDM by then.
UDM.
I think I'm UDM. Actually, I'll give him the party to run it. And then we can also negotiate once we take over the government. What does he want? And I think for the second position, he was reserving for somebody that we can give even majority leader of parliament.
Yeah.
Can I say Ruto was a bit honest at the Dongoso. I will look so stupid. Nimezunguka sana. Alafu mimi niache chama mtu nirudi kule. I will look stupid on the ground. Kitu tutafanya. Tiganti gari na UDM yani. Halaji kana ODM. Lakini tokore coalition. Karanga upande rudi. Yani gari na Raila. Raila na tigebe igana karanga no. Wana teke kwenye harakana. I had to abandon Ruto.
A betrayed.
It was a very painful decision to make. I had to abandon Ruto. I joined Raila. Lakini the end for the elections, Mkaranga getting the ticket for ODM
was somehow like a dream.
It was like a dream. You know, I was young and emerging, and I understand people can feel this person a threat. So I joined PDP. Kama kwa PDP ya Magara. Remember Magara also fall out to Raila. Lakini tukaita PDP na neka chakula sama na ODM tukaganda Chikura tukakura. Bona kelengo watu we were in very good terms with Raila Odinga. Ekena abu atu the first person kerende na watu namanga yenkara beranga 3 days.
Namanga.
Among the first people we told was Fidel. I informed his father. I think the father was not in the country or something like that. But it was Kikwete's regime, not Magufuli, like now.
Yeah, it was.
He at the intervene, but I knew now he's outgoing prime minister. Prime minister. Who was going to be sworn in.
Yes.
So we're in very good terms. Na baba rende ekere Magufuli aswa. And let me be honest, he made some efforts.
Baba?
Yeah. Why am I saying he made some efforts? Ekerabono, abantu ba Minto, my cousin Oguna scholar, no wakili Oguna James Mamboleo. Wakaranga no, let us go face the DPP. Kera face the DP akabata hivi. Haya mambo yote ambayo mnayafanya mimi najua. Raila na akrete Magufuli akangake. Lakini ngate Magufuli, umuntu umwe akinko mutima. Achukue goreki. Serikali nebo chiba stoko mwaka. Tuterende. Igo Magufuli angante bono rende, umone DP yote. Magufuli angante my president angante nga ona vile utafanya. Unaona maitengi kineke. There's no way mundora okay. And meanwhile I want to thank James Mamboleo. Mwakili wake kuru Nyamira gari. My cousin scholar no mwakili ndoko Tanzania. Ababa bagamba na DP toka chake process yeye. DP nendeka bata. Najua mnaongea na Kalonzo. Kalonzo anafaa ongea na Kikwete which happened because Kikwete and Kalonzo they are friends. Lakini wenyewe mjiulize kwamba Kikwete akienda kuuza Magufuli swala tamuuliza kwamba oya abu watu tinga kikwa lengo boga inki yao tambo tiketi. So there's sense in it. In short na vile kwamba Raila tried his best lakini he did not put so much effort.
Yeah.
He tried, but he did not put so much effort.
Because Yamantongo feel balenga had he put that effort, angana konyete. Had he put effort, he said nyo rende willing. Because there are those who saying you are not in good terms.
No.
Let us we are putting things in the open. We without mincing our words. So that Yamanto manyeke maene. This one when you are inside, the reason why Raila Odinga ata korreto moki. Egera cheko go secure your release. Almost for the work kusina ko mwaka lakini ndege ito bota matore. Eba batanga before utaraga in the prison. You had fallen out na Fidel Mwalenge in good terms because of the wife. Na ndaba batanga Fidel was negligent. Ekeraga akanyure kenyanga mono paka bwe bano ne familia bona mbale batanga keroke naye kwa kamulendere family umugani again taking akikage baba na kiata korete kwerende ata umugambi tubeka ngo beka ngabantu again tubona kinkero.
You know we should respect the dead.
Yes.
He was a good friend of mine. We should respect the dead. Again batanga ari kunwa marumono. Fidel was a very responsible person, a very good businessman.
Yes.
If he was that negligent, even to his family, a drunkard, he could not be one of the successful businessmen in Kenya. No, let us give him his credit. Mwarocho na wanyeka kara asirita watu ngechwe chinge sana kia tukatubua. Mwarevu na watu wasibune chingubua.
Na uchira beche isa.
That's right. Kile tukiare online. Na inde muntu chagite room eyo is an aspirant in Kisii.
Oh yeah.
Umwana gete rende tarako mwe. Nero chagite room eyo kalike bintu bibe sana. But funny enough, like I said, until Fidel died, we were good friends. Now I got a key. He called me to go meet his father. He didn't get to work with his father.
Yes.
If he had fallen out, why did he call me? And like I said, I cannot what I was at the border. It's Fidel among the first people who called.
Yes.
Even me, to Arema was crossing and Yarebe, there's 1, 2, 3 with my family. I will never go close to that person. We'll have a very big fight. For those who know, even during my campaigns in the PDP, there's an ODM candidate in the name of Onyonka. Fidel came on his way to Kisumu. He campaigned for me. Tukatenda Rajambili, tukatenda Nende Nyakoe, tukatenda Nero, will you have campaigned for me?
No.
You know, people like making stories, which sometimes can break up families.
Yes.
Which is not really good. Secondly, if there was such a thing, could still my lovely wife still love me? Could we still be together? We could have divorced a long time ago.
It's okay. You got one of those people who are spreading such like rumors. They should stop.
You know, me, I won't tell them to stop.
Yes.
Let them try and be mature.
Until they get tired.
If you can't be mature, you continue.
Yes.
If those kind of rumors put food on your table, well and good. If that's what you do for a living, well and good. But if those kind of rumors do not put food at your table, kiboka, ikide ndi nchira bunora ikoni aba sayaba kituli. Enga kieda na bonto bantu bakoraki ko erosi kiuchumi. Kenga kineka bonto tabwa chimi.
Bona bande bare baota boniga. Na ya bono yigarwete chera tabwa tikende. Bono might speculation, those are the things people say. Nga bono mongwana kore na injenga chikoligereria paka nande musanyo naro kurukunyambega gisesa. Nero lika senga seti yalia gatabanga Don Bosco has added weight. Nga bono kwera nitana andoro motererabia. Bono lenda bantu bakumetinya kwale kocha ko heretepi. Odo tabwa tino ende korodo. Bono ande bachire ko stukanga you are in fact you are even much better in health wise. Abantu muna babono the reason why batata keire ko batata kete ko konya because they thought they saw you as a threat. Now that you are back, abantu muna what is their position because they know you are back. Any political ambition maybe what in future what do you have in store for them?
Let me tell you one thing.
Yes.
Omo usio genuine in big percent. No mongo uri renkali ochande. No mbaraka uri renkali ochande. Ne ntakane ri renkali ochande. Ne kijana kile uri renkali utabwatime. Those are genuine friends. Akina abantu abatori Nairobi na barabu tuko bakishiti na barabu. That's this plastic relationship. And we always pray for each other the worst. Ekana sokuro chera na sobetenga sete no tenga Don Bosco kare mwero to amoroche konyoreire na isuti abegete ya mobegete karire ngase ngata my friends gare chera ngani muroche na kintari ko rama zoezi kyani mata mata skori bari banta ba kibati tebati soke kingerete intera na rocho liye chande akire gaseti ayre bata ko pamanya ko beka den ekana rege buya and now ngabon muroche so I never did any exercises. Ekerena atara soka abantu barabaga yete nandi chibicha chigaikara ya bakaranga na added weight. Nairobi alenga sinde kamarukenga Don Bosco has added weight in jail.
Nairobi.
Kiagara expectations of many people is when you go to jail and agara nembe you will lose weight. Don Bosco has come out, he has added weight. Jalangonera kabanya kolikenga Obado should ask Don Bosco on how to survive on a 3-course meal and add weight in jail. You know,
which is very responsible.
Very responsible. When I came out looking healthy, ngacha nende begete kitamba kirekia. Ngoro tike kitamba una begete. Na roche
ko Roma I was also interested because Nigeria I was also fighting. I wanted you out. Bono nende kerba achire na liba achire ko corona nende ba kumiringa. Umuntu bona ande ba katanga umuntu itaba tikende. Abara ibali ba ko neglected. Una na ngena na rode so many of them calling you. But these people, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Where were they? How do you treat them? They were not contacting you. How come imposition in your heart, such people?
No,
these are hypocrites.
Let me answer the first question. Don Bosco talk what does a man want extra in life? So to the second point, I told you I started hustling kinde 19 years old. Na achake kugurachini mbachingo to America. Na repair now at 19. So, yes. Okay, kineke, but I have my bank accounts. I have not even made any step to unblock those accounts and access funds. But this don't go so. Ichioroni chanya kwaya.
Ichioroni sokoro ya.
Chanya kwaya. Lakini ebi bikembo adrengo dangambia na kwaya. Ne bya abana gaki.
Evina via bana.
Via bana. Oh no, it's not for you to start saying he has, he does not have. No. Ariye via. Onye go bate via go birende via.
Na ndirende ekitota itokote yako subati bagusi. In fact, they should emulate your wife. Oroche your wife is a strong person. Okwa very tali paka nando kanyo kairano kamenyora, she's there waiting for you.
Mata watu nao besa. Iyo mwaka likanga. Ekene bona na ikirende Mombasa bona bachakulika bona in social media. Na Don Bosco to the wife. Na returned the 100 million which was in the house and 300 million to the ex-wife. Yeah, I already been divorced with my wife. That's what I said. Yeah, that's what I said. People create stories which are not good. Already my wife, my ex-wife. Now, secondly, Don Bosco's wife returned 100 million which was in the house and 300 million which was in the back account. Now I never wake it. Watch out my ex-wife. And do Pamuro Kilo Moy. Because you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Then I was going to go. We get a divide. They work in the government. They work in county governments. You will see them.
Yeah, because I remember Naga coordinated sana na we were in communication with Celestine, your sister. In fact, she worked so hard and I communicated when I used to write. To a engage even inbox. Era kale Sweden one.
In Sweden, yeah.
She's in Sweden, huh? Yeah, we were actually coordinating. She was trying her best. Na ande maga sabire sana. Pono rende jenda atavenga. Pono kwa iranire nyasaye ogwanchire kwa ikire. Bono nje, the only thing I can tell you is that bono tikanya saa koro gwancha kwa kotatikana tata tibantunga what is your next move in politically, because ya wanto igali bagata Don Bosco nere kiongozi geto kutatika bono no babeke bya maybe obatebye go say your next step politically, because that is what they are waiting to hear maybe from you, from the horse's mouth.
When Mandela came from jail,
yes,
he never had the ambitions of being the president of South Africa. Mandela never had the ambitions of being the leader of the ANC.
Yes.
The Kideke Rasoka, I cannot continue. You be the leader of the ANC. No, you're the one supposed to be the president. Don Bosco, I cannot come out. I say me chando na tuwari. Don Bosco, I want to be ABCD in Kisi. Or ABCD in Kitutu Church. Either north or south.
Others think you are the Mandela of Kisii.
I will not give myself the title.
Yes.
Let them give me that title. Bono, it's the wananchi where are deciding a key. Don Bosco. Naisa ine, ekirowegete. Abane barono chibako likinga bono, naizito kwa nisimbarati.
Yeah.
Wakati bono, Rati for governor, Don Bosco for deputy governor. Abande bagateba Kitutu Church South. Abande bagateba senator. Abande bagateba governor. But you see, it's too early.
Yes.
My brother. In Chimit na college, no Konya, Evijana,
giving back to the community.
You remember the team ya Shabana? I ran it single-handedly. With the cheap project Evijana to what? I know those projects have collapsed. The next move now, what any one of when Okoro Muchango Wabang, but two are one common pool.
Yes.
As Waka is very cheap. Can I think about a bangina? What have you getting? By the Wakabes, I can't go on there. Watch your boy by Mukivasa or Korea. Garanga, no, Okoro Muchango Monana. She was Chibe Kwamo. One of the Wakurak, Makabes Kororo, and interest range.
At least a favorable interest.
Exactly. Area Kabiri. And I want to Mupango Monene, Okoro Muchango. I'm not talking on the constituency level.
Yeah.
Okoro Muchango opened a board. Na barbato chisako chao asibako gana bakorak bakabes chibes bagore pikipiki ose kwa we pikipiki kwanya waka na kenke kera boda abange na nyorenga mchiri chao necha bantu
baire
waka na pade
ya ina ritu ko
baire manyene batia ninge to ekasa. So if they could be owning the pikipiki waka na at the end of the day ne ya to be good. Those are the plans I had. And the plans are still there. The Akikai Don Bosco River, Ndara Kora, even na Chitoko Kora. Even na
you will still continue.
I will still continue.
Yes.
Even na Chitoko Kora. Then when the right time comes, Kiarawan 2022 is too far away. Gato Savanya Sai Atu Ikioro. Amanganarum na Chikanisa, Nansana Kona Chikanisa. Naking to my late mother, ansomete
ewa
nainde teringa catholic yoka ama catholic teringa catholic yoka paka SDA Pentecost muna SDA baba tu mchango manene sana we Moi was the chief guest na injini agi assistant ya period
assistant ya Moi yeah I remember that one actually
bono ngito jinga na Moi na handshake kare sana to atode handshake
handshake kare
so I don't need to go to camera
na bwana to chora mutara kere kwa timokire
no tiango te it's only I never took photos eke to akorto mchango USDA Moi akumiti sana chiba sana retoro na basandi bahita bagansingiriza Fidel na mato sengo chale kingi tukireta ari koreko de Range Rover gocha kabanga simba rache gocha ekachega chaka kanya Fidel na rokorniki nerochi nera kamentari ende ani uchina basandi bane tukamachugeta ne chiamu nkaranga Moi bona ende uchande kiraki akarukash na cheki kera bona chapa ne tukuru ichari cha koreki chete Moi aganchika kabara ari kabara kisubro chiraila chete kabara karisu mochi onda chete nije na tangne tor gaisaransi to gambaro mugakori bona yani sheki na Moi to agorota kare mono and nchingira norro mwakara mnambia mono that's an elder statesman somebody we need to respect nende tikatuskaba akabaitu tuwa maskani tumuneka borieke tumanye usika abatobutiri kwende age wise
one perception nero kotogokora there is a perception yakoba mangya bagusi ntu abagusi na kitano ta mwanya gitinge ntu bwata gento gete at least tutakere go change mbabwate perception geto konyoranga ngomondo na cheraro kwanya robono they want to treat this person ngomondo to bwana the community bono how do you intend to clear going forward there kwa 29 kutoka kwa tarehe 26 nkomerora abantu bao homecoming yekoro okoira nanka abantu bago taeti bago requested orosie kere ngakyo bange imatana bande babange
tege tukwata banga abantu bari umuntu na cheraro ete tukwasushit na ina batabinga ki abantu bana bari genuine umugushure genuine no liore nkali ochandegete tigabanta ya Nairobi gaiga to ko banyara abapite kwanza abona bari ba Nairobi na
abana makora
ubugimo bwa basina baro ubugimo bwa basira na baro abantu bari genuine bari nkaba that's number 2 when na chete I have no powers to erase that in nature na renge na bono abantu mwebe na renge chere like I told you I'm not shy
no Mandela na renge chere 28 years 27 or 28 years
that's what I was going to keep if Mandela was in jail for 27 years a president who is Don Bosco if Mugabe was in jail for about 8 years who is Don Bosco if Raila was in jail for 9 years who is Don Bosco Julius Malema
I like that
Julius Malema South Africa was given the same charges chairman laundering who is Don Bosco again they can nenga chinaba na ichigo choko ngendra sina tegerete kirenga kire ntorore there is Don Bosco aboli kare I don't do things in them elected again I tell you amane uchumba na rekodi
yeah
so mechango mona jato in 2007 I never fight but before that I was helping so many people na kweli mechango chikanisa kwa mkali bona mataba tbachi toko manyanga bitumburana
kero kende maybe na kibaro chenga star nyota yao is going far bakarabanye limira kini rende
tabo tigai na ra yo lakini enyote nyasa
na libona weche bashaimo
to konyara kulimia igeto nyasaya pangire mipango nyasaya to konyara itubanya bana aba gusiki murache tigenda mwamwe
enda mwamwero
na ene mone karango ka chiko karo kora ke goliege ke ba to enda mwamwe I feel so bad igeto ke gorunga jealous and envy
yes
ibire bitugure tofauti
jealous is satanic
ene rota ye nyarebo urire gari eke ngore gari ya nyesari ube rendo agachire nyo ngaki mubekere sumoko lakini envy ne rota ai nyarebo urire gari
ai envy mnanje
tikakora mukina chengore
ngore mne
that's perfect lakini area nga jealous kimura nchika mbiko tokonya ibine bintu biko garanga okoranga meche ndo konyade met abantu batakaete oborogena bure mutu okobe bintu bine
abande banya gusiseni kumwe
abantu banya gusiseni
don bono rento akirembia mono at least kwa RS romo gusi anda abantu baito bamanyire amangano na rai konya banya kwakani at least bono they have gotten it bono nchengo tembia mono asogocha na ndenga kiende ntonyale koligani at least tonyale gusanga mono I wish we well tata kunyakora gara bwana
Bwana pedla. Mkwandu anera sana. Don Bosco gerende mali mkwandu anera sana. Thank you very much. Wananchi bari nkagari.
Bali bonse bakorwanirire tese bitanda ugoeta. Babo Bivon magare bonse
magare yana bange babo kwende gakako nyaro ngakono mwana.
Nyar kabs nyar.
Abantu nababo skini gusiga ali unaro kurumwemba ari kumne elija nyamuti abantu nabange tikunyako
mbabo kanga ngwa karoli
exactly abu
ngwa karoli
nkorana alenge amangana na wate mana gasim korona wate na ko nasiumeli na kirara mangana mbiare abantu mangana ngoma tenga abantu
none chati kona karengo akalikire korwa
echati ngori kanari ngechinge sana kuba tank echinde cha corruption na Kenya Airways corruption ya enero na quantity stand open. I'm waiting for the president to respond lakini nina deni ya watu baito nina deni yao
no virus ko
tinkunyaro wakana lakini chemba RS ngakitora
going forward
naende nguchika barayonse nabatumire chikadi na abachumbe babusi nabatumire chikadi bache mu modo ya mamu mitekare marani di Kenya to ukora to ya stadium Kalonzo Musyoka confirm na church Moses Wetangula confirm na church the other two MPs from Arusha then from Tanzania oyo mugo Arusha yondo Dar es Salaam they are coming abagena abange bawachugocha abachumbe muna wabo kwa Sudi na oromba chabache babo wino na chache igo Jimmy Angwenyi nero no akare Richard Onyokare na kwanere na muriti Jumapili na to kwanere Simbarat na chache igo bono kubareka ni bonsi bache stadium irinde baresa magana ngwata maya na ende nyare kuwera ne munambiamono na ende toira ne nyasaye munambiamono twensi na ende tusibanya
saye ende na rani chikire anyo record
na kwa nyo record na were yani bonsi ba chiki
mbiamono mo
to ko record injwa
mbiamono mo gandi sana bono renda ba minto na rayo twanya igure korasa Don Bosco monyene igobona balikonya bakwa kania mangana igachinsemo mwaigwerere korisu Don Bosco monyene nje gongoro kunyakundi amenya Albert kusebana na pedda igatumira nenga kiende bia mama
asante.